嗨，你好，我们是 Tom。Celery, stir fry, just celery. There's a few ways of cut celery. Split this in half, and then angle your knife. Very juicy. You can tell by you cut it into it. There's a lot of water, juice. Celery is really good for you. Everybody know, right? From vitamin A to Z. When you eat raw, it's good flavor. But when you stir fry, they give you another kind of level of the flavor. You can stir fry with some protein, or you can make soup. Usually a lot of people are using soup combined with carrot, celery, onion. They give you really nice flavor. Or if this too big for you, sometimes you can just split. That's how you split celery. Keep splitting like this. Split, angle your knife, follow through the line. It's easy for you. You can cut like this. That's fine. If you want to dice it, just cut it smaller, which is dice, right? This is good. In my restaurant, you see the little one here? Trim it out. So you can stand. In the restaurant, all the Sichuan dish, all the celery that you eat, my chef spend a lot of time using their knife skill to cut it for you, because they want the food looks good and they want the celery taste delicious. So this is we call the shredded cut. You see, that's how celery cut many way. So if you want to dice, remember I said earlier, split this in half, quarter strip, and then we're just going to dice it. It's good to make soup, right? Mirewa, that's what they call. Combine together carrot, celery, and onion, have a really good base to make soup. So, or you can just cut like this. See? You use your knuckle against the knife, then you can cut. Easy. Chop, 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 chop. See? Come out. Easy, come on. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. It'll be a great side dish. Celery. We actually can cook this with high heat. Just tiny bit vegetable cooking oil. You want a high smoke point cooking oil. I'm gonna teach you a little bit secret. Powerful, simple stir fry. I add some sesame oil and combine with regular vegetable cooking oil. The sesame oil have higher power of the smoking point. I mean, they can cook very high heat, enhance really good flavor. So okay, ginger and garlic in. We're gonna make this simple dish enhanced with beautiful flavor. Ginger and garlic in. And some dry pepper in. They enhance really good flavor for the oil. And I cracked a few. Why I crack a few pepper? Because the seed will give them a really spicy. Here we go. Stir everything until aromatic before the ginger and garlic turn into really brown. Now's the time we add our celery. Give them a quick toss. So now the celery, nicely cut, you see the juice coming out. And once they cook with this oil and ginger garlic and this red pepper, will give them a really nice flavor. We don't want to overcook the celery. It will get over soft and juicy, so you lose that crunchy bite. The next thing, Shaoxing wine. You can use wine, or if you don't want to cook with wine, you can use some water, just maybe 2-3 ounces water. Spread some wine in. Oh, look at that. I can smell. Smell like grandma's kitchen now. You see, the celery starts translucent, soften outside, but inside still crunchy. Black pepper. A pinch of salt. That's it. You can eat this dish warm or cold. Wow. Look at that. Some people like to eat the hot chili. I have a customer in my restaurant can eat 28 to 30 chili dry with the General Tso chicken. But we really cook that bell pepper to like a dark color like this one. It's very crunchy now, and that got a lot of flavor for you. Like this one here, you see? Okay, that's just good. I can tell the color. The outside is a little bit caramelized because all the vegetable has sweetness. Celery juice is actually really good for you. So I turn it off. Wait for me to get my chopstick. So, talk about this dish. You want hoisin sauce? Go right ahead. Oyster sauce? Go right ahead. Gochujang? Go right ahead. Anything you want. But the theory is how you stir fry. The powerful of the stir fry is very important. Look. And also, depend how you cut the vegetable. It's very important too. Look at this one. Crunchy, it's not boring at all. Very good flavor. Good food is after you bite into one piece, you want to go for another piece. This one is diced. Huh? Dice is more tender. The other cut is more crunchy inside, outside had good flavor. How about this one? Actually, I like that kind of cut. I don't know how to describe it. I like this kind of cut for stir fry, by the way. Oh, wow. Oh my God. I used to eat very spicy, but now I did touching it. Maybe this one. How about this piece? Okay. Wow, good flavor. Oh boy, I gotta eat something quick, combined together. Oh. Or you can add your chili paste, that's fine too. Whatever you ate into it, the flavors change. Okay, my friend? I hope you liked the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. 再见. So good.